Hello? Why are you so cute all the time? Just a nice day.
Come on, Applehead.
You're an apple butt. If you guys have been wondering what is going on with my Evo 8, the reason I haven't been filming anything on the car is I put some really big injectors in there. Or not really big, they're 1300 cc. And it's been sitting here needing to be tuned for a while. And so that's why I haven't really been driving it or doing anything with the car because it hardly runs right now. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Devin Niemela, here with my girlfriend, Bobbi Lorraine Wallace.com. Just a beautiful day. What a day. Oh my Lord.
Lord.
My knee is so up.
What are you doing?
It didn't almost fall out, it just pinched.
Ah!
Why are you yelling?
I literally think you're gonna like plots on the ground.
If I pound it back into place.
Baby,
should I tell them what's going on? Because I've seen some people ask about
here,
it.
let me.
When we were filming that mountain video with the Evo 8 or the Evo 10 with the Christmas tree, I was pulling the Christmas tree off my roof and I slipped on the ice and my knee popped out of the socket. Oh, ow! Oh, my knee! It's happened before. My kneecap literally comes out of the socket about probably 2 or 3 inches to the side, but this time around it didn't. Someone didn't have to put it back in place for me. This time it went back in place when it smashed off the ground. When it's happened before, it's like a day or two, it's sore. But this time, it's like over a week now. It's been 8 days or 9 days, and it almost keeps popping out. Like even just walking through the house, it almost popped out of the socket. So I don't know, I should probably go get it x-rayed, but I probably shouldn't at the same time because I'm a strong boy.
Baby, just chill on your way down to the shop. You said you had food for me.
You want food? I apologize for the super long intro. Guess what we're working on today, guys? Guess what we're definitely not working on is the stupid Evos. That's all I do is work on Evos. Look at it behind the shop. Look at this beautiful thing though. You know why I love this car?
Oh.
What?
I hate when your voice gets all squeaky.
You want to know why I love this car?
Why us?
Bobbi, I love this car because it's stock and it's so reliable. It's so nice.
Oh, here we go. Yeah, I know. It is a really nice car.
Just a nice whip. Should we pull it in the shop and get to work? That's really quiet. That's hella quiet.
So quiet.
It's like almost as quiet as your Genesis. What should we do today on this whip? Should we clean it?
I love cleaning it.
That's what we're doing. We're gonna make the inside perfect.
Is that why I'm here?
You're really good at doing that. Hold up, let me take a seat. Why are you so mad at me?
Because you never listen.
I always listen. All right, get to work. So what are we gonna do first?
So you want to make this thing clean, huh?
I just wanted to make it into a nice car.
Well, you came to the right person.
What do you need?
I need all my cleaning utensils. Windex, paper towels, rags, vacuum, and more Windex. That should do it. Do you have Q-tips?
Why are you so mad? It's just a little poop. Bobbi decided to park your car under this tree and it gets filled with poop. Look at my FRS, guys. I told her not to park it under the tree and she didn't listen, so it's her fault. Right?
Are you freaking kidding me? Are you shitting me?
They're shitting on you. I'll give you $5 to stand under the tree for 5 minutes. Before we get cleaning this car, go take a look in there and tell me what replacement parts we need. Because I have some goodies for you and let's see if you can spot them.
For the inside?
Yep.
Okay. Ugh. Steering wheel? Okay. We need to fix these thingies. Oh, we're missing one floor mat. Oh my gosh, honey.
Ow. Doesn't taste pretty good.
Here, honey, before you wobble around, I can do stuff.
You see what you want to see what an Evo motor looks like? Pretty cool, huh?
So cool.
Not that cool?
No. I've seen it a million times.
I know, because it's always out. I'm kidding, it's the second time.
I would like to grab it, please. Ooh.
They smell new?
Ugh, yeah.
Smells like new. What are we gonna do first? Vacuum?
No, I always save that part for last.
So what do you want to do first?
I need my Windex. All-purpose cleaner, please. Can you throw that away, please?
So, here's a scoop. Let me pop a squat in here.
Lower the car a little bit more.
Yeah, it's because I'm a big belly. Wow, that's a nice windshield. So as you're cleaning the car, I'm gonna replace the windshield. I'm kidding. Okay. I don't know how to do that. I meant the steering wheel. I'm gonna replace the steering wheel and I'm gonna replace this vent as you're cleaning, okay?
Oh, I thought that was my job.
To replace stuff? You're gonna replace an airbag on a steering wheel that could potentially blow up in your face and fart on you.
I'm good.
That's what I thought. Just a nice license plate.
Okay. Have we not touched this car since? Oh.
No, we got this car home from California and we have not cleaned it. You believe that? Stop kissing me, that's public indecency. What does my nose smell like?
Coffee?
Why don't you drink coffee?
I can't, I gave it up.
For why?
Lint.
Lint?
Lint.
I have lint in my pockets. You having fun over there?
Always.
Okay guys, watch this. 2 screws to pull this guy out.
You're gonna want to sniff a couple times. This car's gonna be perfect when it's done. Out with the old and in with the new. 40% battery left as I speak.
I feel it. Brand new.
Brand new.
Okay, so next up is the steering wheel. We gotta pull this airbag off first, which I already started on. There is a screw, it's a T27, like a star screw that pulls this airbag off. And then when you get the airbag off, there'll be a big old freaking nut you're gonna pull off. From here, we just have that one 17mm nut right in the center, and then we're gonna have to pull on the steering wheel really hard to get her off. Don't pull this nut off all the way, because if you do and you go to pull the steering wheel off, you'll probably hit yourself in the head with it. So leave that nut on a little bit. I don't have a steering wheel puller, so I gotta use my biceps.
Is that really hard?
Yeah, it's like stuck on there pretty good.
Oh my gosh.
See what would happen if I had the nut all the way off?
Would have clunked you.
Yeah, don't ask me how I know. Just like that, there's the old steering wheel, and we can install the new one. Look at that, boys. A near perfect steering wheel to cruise.
Look how clean it is in here.
Damn, babe. How did the whip turn out?
Really freaking good.
Out of 10, what is it?
Probably like a 9.
9? Okay, what do we need to make it a 10 out of? We need a 10.5 out of 10.
Follow me. The only thing that we need to do, there's a few stains on the seat, which honestly I almost got completely rid of. On the outside, we just need to
get a fender. Some body panels.
Yeah.
Some of the clips for the trunk liners are missing, so I'm gonna go order some of those through Subaru. And other than that, this interior turned out perfect thanks to Bobbi. That was tight. Give me next. All right, what's next, babe, for the agenda today?
Agenda is wash the gen.
Do what?
Wash the gen.
That thing?
Uh-huh.
Is it dirty?
See.
Why?
Because your freaking birds pooped on top of it. Food!
Why are you so crabby?
Hangry. Dieting.
I respect it.
Come on, Hans.
What do you think? What do you like better?
Well, obviously the SDA is a stock piece of poop right now.
You're rude. Sick Forester.
If my car was stock side by side, I'd say I like them evenly. Babe, an STI is worth way more than your piece of poop, Jenny.
It's not worth way more. Everything about it just performs better, meticulously. Go drop a comment down below. Genesis or STI? Yeah, I know the Genesis looks dope. STI doesn't really. But what would you rather pick?
What would you rather have me drive?
STI with nice, tasteful mods.
I don't want to think about that. I can't choose. Don't make me do that in front of Jenny.
Things due for set of headlights. All right, my friends. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Bonding with Bobbi and Devin. That's the title of the video. Bonding time. Stay tuned for the next episode of the STI build. Peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow.